Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Suzuki SV650. This bike is in beautiful condition. Red paint scheme, V-twin, liquid cooled, fuel injected. It's equipped with frame sliders, only 9,000 miles. Make your SV650 dreams come true. This gorgeous red with white pinstripe, naked sport cruiser. This thing is in beautiful shape. Handles fantastic. You're gonna love that V-twin power. Price to sell just $59.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. She's ready to go. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.